Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Muhammad Indran. Today I will interview all of you to the position of graphic designer, videographer and production manager. Okay, before we start, can all of you introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi, good morning.
Right.
My name is Bibiana Tali Anak Barnabas Iban. I am 20 years old and currently studying at UTHM, taking a course in creative multimedia.
Okay,
You.
thank you. Next.
Hello and good morning.
Hello.
My name is Nurlili Suhana binti Muhammad Ghazali.
Mhm.
I am graduated from Bachelor degree in Multimedia.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
My name is Nur Ashira binti Muhammad Rosli and I'm graduate from Bachelor degree in Education Multimedia.
Okay, thank you. Next. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, thank you. Next.
Hi and good day. So I would like to express my gratefulness to being able to be attending to this interview today. So my name is Norkasi Jeffirana binti Abdul Hakim, and I am currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science from UTHM University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kaseh. Next.
Hi, good morning. My name is Rafiza binti Riza, and I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science in UTHM.
Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, I want to ask Bibiana. Bibiana, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
First of all, I want to ask, tell us about your experience in creative production role.
Okay, thank you for the question. So I've worked across multiple creative roles, including video editing, graphic design, and project coordination. This cross-functional experience helped me understand the entire production pipeline from concept to delivery and collaborate effectively with different team members.
Okay, the second question is, which software tool are you most comfortable using?
Mm, For video editing, I use Adobe Premiere Pro and have After Effects. For graphic design, I rely on Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma. In terms of project management, I use tools like Trello and Notion to keep production timelines on track.
Okay, the last one, how do you approach a new creative project from scratch?
Okay, I start with a creative brief and research the target audience and brand identity. Then I brainstorm ideas, sketch mockups or storyboards, and discuss with the team. Once aligned, I move into production, whether it's editing footage, designing a set, or managing a crew. That's all.
Okay, thank you for Bibiana for answer my question. The next person is Norlili Shahada.
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, how do you handle tight deadline and multiple priorities?
Thank you for the question. I break down tasks, prioritize high impact item, and use a clear timeline with milestone. I keep communication open with stakeholder and team members to stay on the same page and detect any potential bottlenecks early.
Okay, for the second question, can you describe a project you are particularly proud of?
I lead a promotional campaign where I handle both the visual branding and video editing. The campaign exceeds engagement target and was praised for the cohesive visual style and storytelling. It was a great example of blending creative and production skill.
The last one is how do you ensure consistency in brand messaging across different media?
I use brand guideline as a foundation and ensure fonts, colors, tone, and visual style align across all assets. I collaborate with content writer and marketing to keep messaging consistent in both visual and copy.
Okay, thank you, Lily, for answering my question. Um, the next person is Nor Ashira.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. For the first question is how do you respond to creative feedback or revision?
Thank you for your question. Feedback is a natural part of the creative process. I listen actively, ask clarifying questions, and make revision that align with the client version while maintaining design integrity and purpose.
Okay. The second one is what would you do if a project was failing behind schedule?
I will do first assess what's causing the delay, whether it's resource related or a creative block. Then I do recollect tasks if needed. Negotiate timeline of fast track parts of the process like parallel editing or design reviews.
Okay, the last question is how do you handle communication between creative and technical teams?
I actually bridge translating creative goals into the technical requirements and ensuring both teams understand expectations. Regular check-ins, clear brief, and visual reference help minimize miscommunication. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nashira.
Okay.
The next person is Noor Shaliza. Are you here? Okay. The first question is how do you stay updated with trend in design, video, and production? Okay. The second question is how do you prioritize tasks when managing overlapping projects? Okay, the last one is what's your process for reviewing creative work before final delivery? Okay, thank you, Lisa, for your response. Next is Norkase.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, the first question is describe the time you had to solve a creative problem under pressure.
Thank you for the question. So, in one particular project, a key footage was lost. So, I quickly had to reconstruct the storyboard and used B roll and motion graphics to cover the gap and the mistake without compromising the quality of the content.
Okay, the second one is what makes a successful team collaboration in creative project?
So, in my humble opinion, what makes a team successful is clear communication, defined roles, mutual respect between each other, and flexibility. I also think it is regular sync ups and using visual references to keep everyone aligned. So that is really important to have a successful team collaboration.
Okay, the last one is how do you deal with creative block?
So this is my tip: is I take short breaks, revisit my inspiration sources, or switch tasks temporarily. Sometimes bouncing ideas with a teammate and reignite my creativity again.
Okay, thank you, Kase, for the response. Okay, next is Rakiba.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, first question is, what's your experience with creating content for different platforms, such as social media, web, or print?
Okay, I have had experience creating content for a few different platforms. For social media, I usually focus on keeping things short and visually catchy since people scroll fast. When it comes to web content, I make sure it's responsive and easy to interact with. And for print, I pay attention to resolution and layout so everything looks clean and professional. So basically, each platform has its own style. So I always adjust based on where the content is going and who it's meant for.
Okay, for the second question is, how do you handle last minute changes from client or stakeholder?
Okay, for that question, last minute changes can definitely be stressful, but I try to stay calm and look at what's possible. If the changes are manageable, I will go ahead and make them while keeping everyone in the loop. But if the might affect the timeline or quality, I will talk to the client or team to find a solution that works for both sides, like maybe adjusting the deadline or simplifying something else.
Okay, the last question is, what are the key component of an effective video edit?
Okay, for me, a strong video edit has to tell a clear story. The pacing should feel smooth, not too fast or too slow, and the transition should help the flow instead of distracting from it. Clean audio is super important too, especially balancing voiceovers, music, and sound effects. And I like to keep the visual style consistent, like using the same filters or color grading to tie everything together.
Okay, thank you for all of you for the response. That concludes our interview season. Thank you very much for your time and for sharing your experience with us. We will be in touch with you soon regarding the next step. Have a great day. Thank you. Okay.